how to solve Facebook login problem. You can't use this feature right now. So in this video, I have two solutions for you in order for you to fix this problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end so you don't make any mistake. So the step one, or the method number one, is now after you open up your mobile phone, now go back and open up your Play Store, App Store, and make sure to update your Facebook app. Go and search for Facebook and update your Facebook app. After you update the Facebook app like this, now go back and restart your mobile phone. Now just long press tap your phone like this now and tap on this restart button. Now restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone like this, now go back and open now the Facebook app like this. So if you come back now, if you restart your phone, open the Facebook app. After you open the Facebook app like this, now you may likely get your problem being solved. But if you try this method and still you are getting the error which says you can't use this feature right now, or you will limit how often you can use this feature, so now try this method number two. So the method number two to fix this problem is now, after you open up now your mobile phone like this, now if you are using Android or iPhone, the step all are the same. I will show you all the steps. So if you are using Android device, now don't press your hand on the Facebook and tap on this app info. If you come to this app info now, scroll to down and go to this storage and cache and clear the storage of the application. After you clear the storage of the Facebook app, now go back. After you come back like this, now all you need to do now, before now you go ahead now, before you tap on the Facebook, now just swipe your phone like this now and change the internet connection that you are using. If you are using Wi-Fi, please change it to your mobile data or change it to another Wi-Fi. If you are using mobile data, please change it to another line or change it to Wi-Fi. Just change the internet connection. Sometimes this problem may cause because you have poor internet connection. So after you change the internet connection, now go ahead and open the Facebook app. But if you are using iPhone device, you cannot be able to find the option which says clear the storage. All you have to do is just uninstall the Facebook app and install it again. After you install it again, then go ahead now and change your internet connection. After you change your internet connection, if you are using Wi-Fi, please change Wi-Fi or change it to your mobile phone data. So after you change the internet connection, just go ahead and open the Facebook. From there, Facebook will allow you to use the Facebook to log in. But if you try this method and still you're having the problem, now try this last method. So sometimes if Facebook plug your Facebook account, they used to plug your mobile phone as well. Means they used to plug your IP address of the phone that you are using, of the device that you are using. So the reason why Facebook would not allow you to like log in, if Facebook plug your Facebook account, so they may likely plug your IP address of the mobile phone. Now you should just go ahead and try to log in into your Facebook account using other people's device, like collect your friend device, friend mobile phone, or someone in your family, or you can use your PC or laptop to like log in. Just try it. So you need to just find another device to log in. So if you try to log in from there, you can be able to log in. But if you try all this method and still you're having problem, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll help you to resolve this problem. But I'm sure if you try one of this method, it will work for you, because I help a lot of people and they thank me for helping them. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.